Alright, homesteading family. I'm out here in Florence, Colorado with Sarah and her friend Alice, and we decided to come on this 6-mile hike up to this old sawmill way back in the middle of nowhere. And you can see, I'll go over the whole map and everything so you guys can read it, and then I'll show you what's left here. We're here at the San Isabel National Forest is where this is at. This is an old picture from when he was logging. And this is just a map of the stream and creek, whatever you want to call it, creek, since it says Newland Creek. And here's the steam engine, what it was supposed to look like. So, as you can see, the year he did all this, he ended up dying. So this was never completed. And this is the boiler, and there's different scrap metal pieces all over the place. And basically we hiked 6 miles up here to check all this out. And then we got a 6-mile hike back down. But here's the wheel, and this was where the mill would be, and saw blades, and the generator or motor, and then here's all the pipe, and the pipe goes down and over into the creek, and it's just a beautiful hike. You got to cross the river on top of some rocks and sticks and logs and things like that to get up here. It takes a while to get up here, but I mean, look at this, it's just beautiful. I mean, look at the country up here. A lot of aspens up here. Once all the aspens change to their yellows and orange and things like that, I mean, it's just beautiful. And just sitting here listening to the water is an amazing hike. So they started down. I wanted to make this video, show you guys what was left of this, and show you a little bit of history in Colorado. And I'm gonna go ahead and go start hiking and catch up with them and get out here hopefully before the sun sets. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Crystal clear mountain water. Sarah actually wants to be in a video. Can you believe this? Alright, you guys ready to see a beautiful rock face? Look at this. We're way down here in the, what do you want to say, the valley? Valley where the creek runs and fresh mountain water. Nothing like beautiful views and a beautiful hike through the woods. And you got things like this. Beautiful flowers all over the place. So you got nice color. Anyhow, we got like another 5.5 miles to go. I'll catch you guys later. sketch time. Live happy, live free. That's the only way to be.